If you see the dashcam unavailable, check USB drive warning in your Tesla vehicle. It means that there is an issue with the USB drive. Tesla uses 128GB USB drives made by Samsung, as far as I know, to record the videos from Sentry and dashcam. This drive is not perfect, and there are thousands of cases when these drives were faulty and didn't want to work anymore. You can check it by going to the safety tab and pressing format USB drive. If you get an error when formatting, it surely means the problem is with the stick. When it only starts to fail, you may get some luck taking the USB drive out and putting it back, or soft resetting your car by pressing and holding the both steering wheel buttons for about 10 seconds. But this will only help for some time and the drive will eventually fail completely. Also, if this drive is located in the glove box, it's very easy to damage or disconnect it when putting something in the glove box. So make sure it's installed correctly. Additionally, Tesla knew that these memory sticks weren't going to last long, and that's why they clearly state on these drives that they aren't covered by the vehicle warranty. The solution is to purchase another USB drive. You may go for the OEM Tesla drive, which is pretty expensive and not long-lasting at all. Alternatively, you may choose any high-endurance USB drive made by a reputable brand like SanDisk or Samsung, or you may also get an external SSD and plug it in instead of the USB stick, but make sure your SSD doesn't heat up like crazy and avoid using cheap, poor quality SSDs.